It's held together by gases.
Increase.
Ooh, you're so smart. Hi, my name's Alexis Wilson, and I'm a 6th grade science teacher here at Bak Middle School of the Arts. You're going to also see that there are crystals within the rock.
I picked a high mass star.
I want to teach science and make it fun. I want them out of their seats. I want them doing labs and projects. 75. And I want a whole generation of kids to fall in love with science. Do you remember metamorphic forms? I try to make every lesson hands-on. How can they have more fun? How can they be more engaged? Teaching at an art school, I'm having them act out a monologue.
Continental drifts.
I have my artists creating about what we're learning in class. My kids are creative, sweet, smart, great personalities. I'm so appreciative.
You are the winner of Palm Beach County's Thank a Teacher. You've been teaching in the classroom for the better part of 17 years with creativity, excitement, and a passion for learning that you impart to your students.
Although she's 9 years younger than me, she is the mature one of the two, and I've always been inspired by her accomplishments.
Miss Wilson is a really amazing teacher because she makes me feel like I can actually have fun in her class while learning.
And it works. Like, it wakes our brains up.
I couldn't imagine doing anything else.
Hey, Palm Beach County!